Replacing your home's windows is one of the most effective ways to enhance comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. However, without proper preparation, the installation process can become stressful or lead to delays. Whether you're upgrading outdated frames or installing energy-efficient designs, taking the time to prepare your Rayne home ensures a smoother, faster, and cleaner window replacement experience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get ready. Clear the work areas inside and out before your window installers arrive. Take time to clear the space around every window being replaced. Move furniture, decor, plants, and window treatments away from the area. This not only gives installers enough room to work efficiently but also protects your belongings from dust or accidental damage. Outside, trim any shrubs, trees, or bushes that might block access to exterior windows. If you have patio furniture or garden decor near the installation site, move them a few feet away. A clear workspace helps professionals complete the project faster and minimizes disruption to your home's surroundings. Remove window treatments and wall decor. Curtains, blinds, drapes, and shutters should all be taken down before installation day. Dust can easily accumulate during window removal, and leaving these items in place can make the job messier. Additionally, remove artwork, mirrors, and decorative items from the walls near windows. Vibrations from tools and movement during installation could cause these items to shift or fall. Keeping the area free of fragile decorations helps protect your valuables and gives installers peace of mind. Protect your floors and furniture. Window replacement can generate dust, debris, and sometimes small bits of construction material. To protect your floors and furniture, cover them with drop cloths or old sheets. Most professional window companies in Rayne bring protective coverings, but having your own ready adds an extra layer of protection. If you have carpet, consider vacuuming beforehand to make cleanup easier afterward. For hardwood or tile floors, ensure the surface is clear of clutter and easy to navigate for the installation team. Disable security sensors and alarms. If your current windows are connected to a home security system, be sure to notify your provider before the installation begins. Temporarily disable sensors or alarms attached to your windows to avoid unnecessary alerts or disruptions. Once the new windows are installed, you can reconnect or recalibrate your security system. This small step helps prevent false alarms and ensures your security remains functional once the project is complete. Make arrangements for pets and children. Window replacement can be noisy, with installers coming in and out throughout the day. To keep your pets and children safe, arrange a comfortable space for them away from the work area. Consider closing off rooms not being worked on or having your pets stay with a friend or family member during installation. Keeping curious hands and paws away from the workspace helps prevent accidents and keeps the crew focused on their job. Ensure easy access and clear communication. Your installation team will need easy access to your home and windows. Unlock all doors and gates leading to the work areas, and provide a clear path for moving materials and tools. Before work begins, review the project details with your installer. Confirm the window styles, materials, and the order of installation. Clear communication prevents misunderstandings and ensures everyone is on the same page. Plan for cleanup and final inspection after the installation. Most professionals clean the workspace and remove old materials. Still, it's wise to do a walkthrough once the crew finishes. Check that windows open and close smoothly, locks function correctly, and seals are airtight. Ask your installers about maintenance tips, warranty coverage, and how to care for your new windows. A quick inspection ensures quality work and gives you confidence in your investment. Final thoughts. Preparing your Rayne home for a window replacement doesn't take much time, but it makes a big difference in how smoothly the process goes. By organizing your space, protecting your belongings, and communicating clearly with your installers, you'll enjoy a hassle-free experience and beautiful, efficient windows that transform your home's comfort and appearance.